A lovely balcony, but it can get really windy. An appropriate balustrade is required. Plexiglass Resist is ideally suited for the job. Cut the sheet with a guiding rail to the right size, or order the right size online from the Plexiglass shop. Mark the drill holes, cover them with tape, spray oil on the drill bit, choose a low speed, a little pressure, and off you go. Hoover up the metal cuttings. To protect from rust, spray zinc spray onto the holes. Fix the sheet with screw clamps. The protective foil is still on the resist sheet. Draw the fixation marks through the drill holes. Drill the holes onto a wooden underlay. Here choose a drill bit 1 to 2 millimeters bigger than the screws. Now the foil can be taken off. Stainless steel screws, nuts, and plastic washers distribute the holding forces and fix our plexiglass. To avoid tension, gently tighten. And that's it. That was pretty easy, and of course, depending on your personal taste, you can choose a variety of colors.